Hey, school girl.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, school girl.
Hi, Mommy.
Ready for school?
Yes.
Can I see your beautiful hair? Look up, baby. Woohoo! Your hair is so cute, Mama. Oh, let's see your hair. Ooh, who made your hair for you?
Mommy.
Did she?
Mm-hmm.
So cute. So what are you doing?
Watching cartoons.
So who is taking you to school?
Daddy.
So where is Daddy?
Taking a visit to school.
He went to drop off her dad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you look cute, baby. So guys, Soso is all ready for school. Her daddy went to drop off Adeze. When he comes back, we drop off Soso. That's Soso over there. So say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so you guys say my Christmas light is still here. This is February 13th. I'm making this video on February 13th. My Christmas light, my Christmas tree is still there. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see? Can you guys see my Christmas tree over there? Yeah, but hopefully by next week I'll bring it down. Nothing will stop me from bringing it down next week. Hi guys, how you all doing? So guys, this is the Christmas tree I was talking to you guys about. This Christmas tree was set up in December, way before Christmas in December, and since then I've not had time to bring it down. And as I'm making this video, today is the 13th of February 2025. Yeah, I've not had time to bring it down. My children, they've offered to do it so many times. Mommy, let's take it down, let's take out the balls, the decoration, the everything. But there's how I fix some of the balls. It's kind of tight, and if they don't do it well, they will break the ring of the balls. And I'm not about buying fresh set, like a whole set. This Christmas we'll still use some of these, so I want to do it carefully so they don't break it. Yeah, so hopefully today is 13, that's Thursday, so hopefully Saturday, Sunday or Monday latest I will take this Christmas tree down. Yeah, and yeah, so it's in order to wish you guys happy Valentine. Yeah, tomorrow is Valentine, so this is me here wearing my red. It's just coincidence I'm wearing red. So this is me wishing you guys happy Valentine. Be sure to have a good time, be sure to have fun, be sure to enjoy yourself, okay? And yeah, this is me filming with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo camera. And I like the view, like this is a wide angle, yeah. And I love this camera. It's giving everything and more. Yeah. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this camera? Did anything change in my vlogs? What do you think? Did you see any change? Just let me know, okay? And I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Come on. Hey. Yeah, auntie. Oh, see me. Ebu. Come on, baby. Hey girl.
Hey, Mommy.
Woohoo! Ready for school?
Yes. Hey, Mommy.
You look so beautiful, Mama. Take your head off. Let's see your hair.
There's a spiking me in my ear.
Is it?
The feathers are even hurting.
Are they? To your side. Come on. Is this all your hair?
Mm-hmm.
Your hair is so long and full, girl.
like a cotton candy and a mushroom
You love
and a broccoli.
Put your face down. Let's see. Slowly
Or popcorn.
up by the side.
Or bird.
Turn this way. Turn the other way. Can you have a stand up for us, girl?
Okay.
Go back a little bit. Look so big. Come on, spin around slowly, slow. See this cool girl. See this cool girl. So are you ready for school? I grab your bag.
Today's Valentine's Day.
Yeah, tell guys happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Are you not gonna blow the keys? Okay. Again. Tell them happy Valentine's Day again.
Happy Valentine's Day.
All right, grab your jacket and your bag. Ready for school?
Let my jacket.
And your bag.
Hi guys.
Close the door. Hey baby.
Hi mommy.
So are you not gonna tell us happy Valentine?
Happy Valentine's.
Can we see your head? Take your head muff off carefully. Oh, I thought. Sit down. Slowly, slowly. Turn back slowly. Oh, put your face down. Up slowly, slowly. Up, up. Look up. Can you stand up? Spin around slowly. Ready for school?
Yeah.
Blow us kiss, kiss. Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are okay. So I got a couple of things from Temu, just little things. Let me just show you guys. So this thing, what is it called? I don't even know, but it's just a hardware accessory, just an accessory, yeah. So I got 8, is it 8? Yeah, I got 8 pieces. So this thing is just like to protect, I don't know the name to call it, but it's more like a protector for edges. Yeah, so like this edge of this table, I want to fix it here just to protect it so someone doesn't hit their head, their hand at this edge. Although the edge is kind of smooth, it's not like the pointed sharp kind of edge, it's kind of smooth. But yes, I saw this on Temu. I said this would be nice. So yeah, let's put it together. I think it has like a glue, so we peel these glue stuffs out just like so, peel them out like this, and then let me show you guys. Table does the edge, so I'll just put it here and clip it down. Then if you guys can see it, so it's kind of, it has protected this edge so that even if someone hits their hand, their head, anything, yeah. So I fixed this one here. I'm sure you guys saw me fix it. So yeah, oh, this is so nice. I'm just pushing it to make sure the glue sticks very nice. So let's put on the other edge. So it has like 4 edges. So this one is, I don't even know the name of this one, but it's like a cupboard clip, cupboard lock. You can use it to lock your cupboard. So to be honest, I didn't have need for all these things, but I was ordering something on Temu, and you have to get to a certain amount before you can be able to check out and pay. So what I ordered was about £15 or so. So I just added all these little things just to make up. Yeah, but this one is a cupboard lock. So when I attach this one, I will show you guys. To be honest, I don't have need for this because my children, they don't go to the cupboard, they don't go anywhere. If I tell them don't go here, best believe they're not going there. Yeah, but I just bought it. Yeah, so I'll show you guys. So if your children, if you have children that they don't used to hear word and you have things in your cupboard, I don't want them to go there, you can get this. It's a good buy. Let's take these veggies out. I don't want to microwave it with the veggies and just microwave this one. And I have some leftover pasta which I will microwave now. I have our pasta. And I have some cabbage here. So guys, this is what I have for breakfast. Leftover food in the fridge. Yeah, so let's go have breakfast. Hey, go sister, go sister. Hey, hey. Go sister, go sister. Hey, hey, go sister, go sister, go sister, go sister. Go sister, go sister, go sister, go sister, go sister. Hey. Hey.